Let's check your money and investments on this Facebook Friday. Will your 401k or mutual fund portfolio continue to slide in value? I hate to tell you that, but the Dow posted its 11th decline in the last 12 trading sessions. Now, leaders from the world's largest 8 economies will meet this weekend at Camp David to focus on helping Europe through its debt crisis that's put so much pressure on economic growth. And this morning, we'll see if all the Facebook IPO hype can lift the markets. Ahead of the opening bell, stock futures are moving to the positive. Right now, we see the Dow, if we can take a look at that, poised to open about 48 points higher. NASDAQ will open about 10 higher, and the S&P is going to inch up higher as well. So we'll see if that plays out here in the next hour. Meantime, we can tell you Hewlett-Packard reportedly plans to cut its workforce by as much as 30,000 jobs. A lot of layoffs coming. It's part of a restructuring announced earlier in the year as the company makes up for dwindling demand for personal computers. The cuts would represent about 9% of HP's workforce. Specifics are expected out next week. Our partners at the Puget Sound Business Journal report, though, Seattle ranks 8th for the number of jobs added over the past 12 months. The Seattle metro area gained more than 39,000 jobs during that time. That's about a 2.5% increase. And yet another survey shows Seattle has seen the highest growth in technology jobs of any market in the country. And Peggy, that's pretty significant that we're actually beating Silicon Valley, New York, Boston, and other tech centers for hiring. We're #1 right now.
Pretty good, especially when you look at those pictures there. It's kind of been recruiting weather as of late.
Yeah, it has, that's for sure.
So, all right, well, that's good news. Thanks, Brad.